Hi, and welcome to another ClassCube demo video. If you haven't come across ClassCube before, it's an online tool for computer science classes where your students will be able to complete and submit lab assignments directly in a web browser. Once submitted, their code is automatically graded, and you, as their teacher, will be able to see their submissions. For this video, we're going to see how you create a ClassCube assignment inside of Moodle for your students. We're already logged into Moodle with a teacher account. One of the great things about Moodle over some of the other online learning tools is that Moodle is very customizable, including the theme. The downside for demos like this is that my screen may not look exactly like your screen. For this demo, I'm using a base install of Moodle 3.3 with the Boost theme. Moodle 3.2 added a way to easily add an assignment using external tools, and that's what we'll be doing here. If you're using a version of Moodle earlier than 3.2, this video may not work for you. We've got another video planned for earlier versions. And this demo also assumes that ClassCube has already been set up as an external tool in Moodle. It's not difficult to set up, but it is a topic for a separate video. I'm going to go ahead and click on my course, and right now there's nothing here, so I'm going to turn on editing and add an assignment. This will bring up a list of activities that I can insert into Moodle. The one I'm looking for is external tool. From the drop-down next to Pre-configured Tools, select ClassCube Problems. This should enable the Select Content button. Click that button and it will bring up a dialog with existing assignments and a form where you can create new assignments. The Search tab lists the assignments you've already created. In your case, this list will probably be empty since this is your first assignment. Once you have assignments defined, you can reuse them by clicking on the blue Select button. This time, though, we want to create a new assignment. Click on the Add Assignment tab. The first field is the name you want for the assignment. It will be sent back to Moodle as the assignment description, but you will be able to change it. The second field is a drop-down list that lists all of your available problems. These are problems that you have created, your cohorts have created and shared with you, or problems that are created by us. If you're not sure which problem you're looking at, you can click on the small eyeball to the right and it will bring up a preview. You can select either an online or upload submission. With online, your students will be able to type their code and test directly in a web browser, and that's what we're going to use for this demo. The file upload type will let your students upload files. Automatic testing happens either way. You can also select an open and close date when the assignment is active. We're going to leave it blank and let Moodle take care of the dates. And you can select whether you want your students to see individual test results. Let's say you have a problem with 10 tests, and a student submits code that gets correct results for 7 of them. Either way, they will see that their code passed 7 of 10 tests. If you opt to show results, it will also show them the 3 test cases that failed. Once you're done, click on the blue Create Assignment button. This will send a bit of information to our servers to create the assignment, and then our server will send some information back to your server to link the assignment in Moodle. The pop-up should close, and you're back at the Moodle assignment screen. We're going to click on the Show More link under General, so that we can see how this assignment was set up. The activity name and description are filled in with the assignment name entered earlier and a short description, if available, of the problem you're using. You can change either of these if you like. There's a link under Secure URL. This is the link that Moodle will use to launch for your students. And there are a couple of lines under Custom Parameters. This tells ClassCube which assignment to launch. Look under Privacy and check that Accept Grades is selected. It's possible, and it's like this in this demo, that you won't be able to change this checkbox. This means it's set at the site level. Check with your site administrator in that case. And you can also set any other normal Moodle assignment settings. I'm going to make this assignment worth 100 points and turn on completion tracking. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Display, which will bring the assignment up in Moodle. And we're going to look at one thing here. Let's look at the menu on the top right of the assignment. We're going to select the Student Submissions link. This will bring up a dialog that lets you see every submission of every student that's attempted this problem. In this case, it's a new assignment, so there's nothing here yet. And then let's click over on the Grades tab. Notice that the assignment we just created is listed here. Every time that your students submit an attempt on the problem we created, it will automatically update their grade in the gradebook. And then last, let's look back at the course page. The assignment shows up just like any other in Moodle, and your students will attempt this assignment just like any other link. And that's our demo. Thanks for stopping by and watching. If you have any questions about this video or ClassCube in general, our website is classcube.com. You can also find us on Facebook and Twitter. If you'd like to get in touch, please visit our website and look for the help menu across the top or go to classcube.com/contact. And thanks again for watching.